Red Square. I try to have fun with these intros, make some witty remarks, but everything I thought about this bot was just incredibly dark. His entire image is torture and pain. It's honestly kind of gory. So I'll just tell you his name and that'll kind of tell you the story. It's Executioner! In the blue square, from Plaza Robotics in California, this bot is on a mission to clean up at this tournament and wash the competition. Keep pushing his buttons and you'll surely get beat because this guy is ready to win, rinse, and repeat. Give it up for Dishwasher!
All right, there you go. Vertical drum versus vertical drum, meeting in the middle, jockeying for position, going for those soft spots. Oh, big hit. Looks like we lost the side panel off of Executioner, but hitting back, big flipping shot, sending that machine Dishwasher flying through the air. Both machines seem, oh, looks like Executioner lost the bottom panel and is no longer moving. And that's going to be a tap out and a knockout.
And your winner, Dishwasher!